Good day everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome to another video where in today's one we're taking a brief look at the GitHub. I'll be explaining to you guys how can you enable the 2FA or two-factor authenticator onto your profile on GitHub. So let's jump right into it. First things first, open up and make sure to log in with your profile on the GitHub website. On the top right corner, you'll click on your profile icon and then click on your profile. Now from this page right here, click on edit profile, and once you'll be located to the settings, so in the public profile down here, click on password and authentication, and then you'll be able to add passkeys or two-factor authenticator by enabling it, clicking on this button. So you'll set up the authenticator app, scan the QR code, use an authenticator app or browser extension to scan the QR code, and verify the code from the application. So once you scan it, you'll get a code to paste down here and you'll click on continue. You can also set up an alternative option, which is an SMS authentication if you would like so. However, you can choose any method you'd like. So that's it for today. That's how you set up a 2FA on your GitHub account. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, leave it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.